welcome back to another episode in the life of the Golden Elements.
Ew, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode in the life of the Golden Elements. My name is Lee. Check me out on Instagram. I'm gonna leave that in the link down below. Or it's just gonna be right
There. Boom.
boom. Yeah, guys, we are back. You know, name a more consistent YouTuber. 2 videos in 2 weeks. I mean, in 1 week. But if you look at it like this, it's like 3 videos in 2 weeks. You know. Today we recorded a video with
Me, Buru.
once again. Next video will be at school, so stay tuned for that one. Today we did the whisper challenge, and hey man, the stuff which was said there were a bit funny.
Explicit.
Like Butu said that.
No under 7. No under 16s.
Aye.
Okay, no under 15s. Somebody.
Little. It wasn't me, Chief. But you see, Butu's hosting you. So yeah, guys, thank you for enjoy the video. Like the video if you do like it. If you don't,
We don't care.
we don't care. It's like we don't care. Thank you if you for 200 subscribers. That was good. That was good. But I still saw my statistics, and there's still a 36 point whatever percent of you guys who unsubscribed. I'm actually coming to your house, so like you all better lock the doors or something, cause I'm fit to me. I'm a bullet. Like go straight through, like pop pop pop. Huh? You cannot say golden and forget the elements. Ooh, bars.
Can I say Buru and forget the K?
Ooh. Okay, guys. So like, this is something, some serious information, exclusive. As soon as we hit 400 subscribers, I'm going to hop into the studio and drop a rap song. No one knows this except for me and a few of my boys. But like, as soon as we hit 400, we're dropping a song. So yeah. Thank you to if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tell your dogs, your friends, your grass, the hose pipe, your mother, your dad, your sister, your girlfriend's girlfriend. You know, tell them to subscribe to the channel. Tell them that we back. Yeah, hotter than ever. So yeah. Ooh, fresh cut for the boy. Fresh cut. Yes. It's a little bit too sharp for the fade. So yeah, guys. Enjoy the video and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, hey, follow Butu on Instagram.
At Butu K.
It's gonna be right
There.
a boom. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy. Yeah, we'll see you. Okay, so like, we're about to begin now. Gotta be quick. Butu's phone is about to die, and it's the one we're using for music. She's starting off, which means I have to whisper something to her. And yeah, I'm only gonna start when she plays her loud, stupid music. So, let me see. I should have said that. I cheated.
You studied my best friend.
Oh my gosh. I cheated on your best friend.
Huh?
Hey man, last one, then we're done. It's my turn. Chelsea, wait, sorry. London is blue. London is blue.
Is blue.
Blue is a color. Football is a game. We are in. Chelsea, just okay. So, we should just finish. That's my turn.
Huh?
Yeah, done.
Oh.
Like, how's that experience?
I couldn't get it.
Yeah, you just didn't know.
That's
Okay, it's
some
my
half
turn.
deaf guys.
Yeah, but you can hear. If you guys didn't know, she can't hear.
Like I
Like when I said her dog is dead.
have a problem with
Just play a song, dog.
Yes, I'm looking for something.
Hey guys, don't forget to comment down below with your Instagram for a shout out on your next video. Okay, this video also didn't get a shout out because like I'm recording it after I posted the school is hard because if you haven't checked that out yet, what's wrong with you? Check it out now if I pick you up. I'm just joking. We don't do any violence here. Not yet. Only 36% of you guys who have subscribed to the channel and be watching the video. I'm coming to your house. I told you I'm gonna be here. I'm coming to your house. I want to beat you up right now. What?
Behave.
Why did I play my song?
Okay.
I downloaded it.
I deleted it.
Yeah, boy.
Listen
Hey.
to this stuff. So.
This is the thing I do whenever I put on earphones, I sing them.
He's angry at me.
Huh?
He's angry at me. He's angry at me. He's angry at me.
He's angry at you.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, stop.
Lee loves Chelsea. Lee loves Chelsea.
What?
Lee loves Chelsea.
Lee pooped his pants.
Lee loves Chelsea.
I kissed the boy.
Lee loves Chelsea.
Lee loves Elsie.
Elsie Kimanyana. Lee loves Chelsea.
Huh?
Lee loves Chelsea. Okay, fine.
Lee loves Chelsea.
Yes. The name of the channel is Golden Elements.
Yeah?
The name of the channel is Golden Elements.
Golden Elements?
The name of the channel is Golden Elements.
Golden Elements.
The name of the channel is the name of the channel is Golden Elements.
Golden Elements is the channel.
No. The name of the channel is Golden Elements. Fine.
Sharp.
You got you right. Sharp. You have a Superman pillow.
Eh?
You have a Superman pillow.
I have a super big pillow.
You have a Superman pillow.
I have a Superman pillow.
Yes. Correct. His name starts with a B.
What?
His name starts with a B.
Golden Elements starts with a G.
His name starts with a B.
I have to pee.
His name starts with a B. Oh my.
You have to pee. Okay, wait. Say it again.
His name starts with a B.
His name starts with a P. His name starts with a B.
Yes. Woo. Lee's drinking H2O.
What?
Lee's drinking H2O.
I'm looking super fresh.
Lee's drinking H2O.
What?
Lee's drinking H2O.
My best friend is Castro.
Guys, don't mind my love skin. Kiana. Lee's drinking H2O.
H2O.
Mm.
Say it again.
Lee's drinking H2O. Just song like that.
That was a good song, I thought. Was that? Yo.
But
Come
but
to.
she said the
This
butter
one
is-
too. I'll cut two.
Betty butter.
Betty bought a bit of butter with a whoa.
She sells seashells.
Seychelles.
She sells seashells.
She sells Seychelles.
No.
The painter talk about another nigga who just kept him off a bud.
Yeah.
She sells seashells.
To be a man by choice.
She sells
Can't seem to exercise
seashells.
Yes. Peter Pan.
What? She like all that gangster.
You have stuffed animals.
Let's kill animals.
You have stuffed animals.
Let's save animals.
You have stuffed animals.
Life science animals.
You have stuffed animals.
What?
You have stuffed animals.
I love stuffed animals.
No. You have stuffed animals.
I have stuffed animals.
Yes.
It's a new one I got. Thanks. Rings.
You wanna?
Okay, guys. So that was the end of the video right there. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, actually. This is my best friend right here, man. You know, she recorded more videos than Chad and Chadley combined. You know how it is. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video if you do like it. If you don't, guess what?
We don't care.
You don't care at all. So like, yeah, comment down below with your Instagram for next video shout out, which is gonna be at school. I'm hinting you guys again. Thank you for 200 subscribers. We are on the road to 300 now. We don't take it in 10s or in 50s. No, we're on 300. So yeah, we're on the road to 300 subscribers. Tell your friends, your dogs, your moms, your dads, your cats, the grass outside that hey, Golden Elements is like
The hose pipes, man.
we are being more consistent from drink to drink. I don't even know I don't know why I said hose pipe, but still. So yeah, guys, we will check you in the next one. Don't forget to comment down below with your Instagram. And it's Golden Elements. Out. Okay. Hey man, it's your boy out here, Young Nourish, you know what it is. Make sure y'all go stream my song on Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, you know. It's called Young Nourish 3.560, you know what it is. Yeah guys, nipple slip, yeah guys. So yeah, check out my music on applemusic.com, apps/nourish, Lil Nourish, YoungNourish.com. Yeah, guys, get my merch. You know the Young Nourish band out here, man. Yeah, guys, you know, about to film a little video with the boy called Lee from Golden Elements. Like, he was a weirdo, but like, yeah, guys, it's out here. You know, Young Nourish, Lee, Golden Elements. You know what it is. We out here, man. Make sure you go stream my song, man. Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud. Hey, Young Nourish out here for the gang.
For them chasing, why you wanna be waiting? You've been stolen, taxing. I don't know why you be advancing, acting like a king made to